Hi, this is John with MAcarbon, and today we're going to show you how to replace your old nasty puffed up vinyl sun visors on your Mercedes R107. We're going to be replacing them with our nice new brand new rebuilt hand sewn MAcarbon visors with genuine MB Tex to match the color of your interior. Basically, you give us a call, let us know the color of your interior, we'll make a set, send them out to you, you install them, and send us back your old one. Today, we'll show you that process. First step is actually taking off the hardtop. Because of the angle that is required to take this out, it's best to have the hardtop off. So first pull it out from there. We're going to then, with a Phillips head, the only tool you'll need is undo and remove this screw, and that loosens the retaining clip in the sun visor. So then we take it over here, we rotate. There's a tab on the inside. We're going to rotate it until it begins to slide, and you can see here we slide it like this, holding the retaining tab. So you can see here, this is the tab that you're matching up to inside the visor. All right, now that we've got the sun visor, the old sun visor off, just want to show you a quick couple things here. First of all, the tab is keyed, so there's a male part here, and you've got a channel here that's going to go into. The other aspect is that there is a direction. So you can see that one side is angled towards the front of the car. So you'll want this to be in that direction. All right. So what we're going to do is we take our visor. This one's in green. The green card's outside. So we're going to go ahead and use it today. So we slide this in here, rotating. And then the silver will come out. We're going to line the tab up with the key. Get the key, there we go. All right, so then we're going to get that in there and we slide that on. So again, you've got that tab inside here, so you got to slide it into the slot, then pull it slightly more, and you can rotate that down. Before you fully tighten it up, you want to make sure that you've got your everything in the right spot so that it clicks into the retaining spot there. So once you have that done, with your Phillips head screwdriver, tighten that back up and slide in, and you're all finished. All right, so we've got our new rebuilt MAcarbon sun visor in. We've got this old one. We'll then change the other one out, and what you'll do is put the old nasty ones in the same box you got your MAcarbon ones in, and send them back to us, and you're all set. And finally, after years of being annoyed by your sun visors, you will have nice brand new ones ready for your next drive. Thank you for watching this video, much appreciated. And hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.